To access, again, just as a reminder, you're going to click on Find Students, and it's going to bring up this screen. Now, to find out based on what assignments they are completing, we're going to go all the way to the bottom. Instead of doing our search, we'll go to the bottom and click on Go. And now we can enter parameters of how we want to see these students. If a student did not turn in an assignment or scored less than a number that we're looking for, we can force them back to that assignment so that they can redo it. Now this is a little bit tougher because it ends up giving you students that might not be ready to do a certain assignment. If, for example, if you are trying to find students that did not do a test, they might not be ready for that test. But if I pick on, say, that the score is equal to 0, and then I select an assignment, the exams are at the top. Scroll all the way down, you can get to the assignments and include non-submitted assessments in the results. And we go through and we search and we can find which students have not completed that assignment. So if I know that a certain student should be on that assignment based on their pace chart, I can force them to that assignment. But if I'm not sure, then it makes it a little bit harder. Plus, I need to know the actual name of the assignment, which if you don't have it, they have a link here. If you click that link, though, it's going to take you away from the assignment, which is fine. You can pick that you're going to be forcing this 1344, copy it, and then just go back. So you select which student you want to force to that. I'll just pick myself, and then we go to the bottom and we can pick what we're going to do. Are we going to email that student, maybe email them that they need to do the DBA or that they need to do the assignment. We can add them to a group of students. We can force them somewhere, or we can assign them to a packet. So I'm going to choose force somewhere, and I need to put in that object ID 1344 and submit that. So now when that student goes in, and it's myself, when that student goes into their course, it will force them. Now it didn't force me just because I didn't sign in that way, but if I signed into the course as a student, then it would take me to that. It would take me to that assignment. It might show it still if I change the date. And so we have our submit that, and let me try to enter again. And so let me enter the course as that student. And it does force me to it. So you may need to put in the date to force them to it, and it forces me right to that assignment when I log in. And so that's a reminder that I need to do that assignment.